Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your third eye reading for the week. I do these for Saturdays, and I start on Mondays with the root chakra and on Sundays with the crown. So every week we can kind of revamp our entire chakra system with a little update and messages to help get it in alignment and evolving. So the question that we have for this little spread is, how can I be focused, determined, and receive guidance to realize my full potential? I will read the messages from the author's books first and then give a little intuitive interpretation. I'll leave a little timestamp if you want to just go forward to that bit of the reading, though. That's fine. So octahedron is the first card out, and it's representing nourishment and the element of air. The octahedron, with its 8 triangular faces, is one of 5 three-dimensional shapes called the Platonic solids. Seen in another way, an octahedron is a figure created by 2 pyramids sharing the same base. One pyramid points up and one pyramid points down, dividing space into 8 equal directions. The octahedron is associated with the element of air and is a symbol of nourishment with the powerful ability to bring together differing viewpoints. It is earth and sky energies united. It is male and female in balanced understanding. This card invites you to consider how your life is nourished by broadening your perspective and looking at many facets in many directions in order to find balance and nourishment. Reflect on the effect of 8 aspects on the object of your inquiry. Sit quietly and breathe in and out. Contemplate each aspect. How does cooperation affect your view of the situation? Might patience help events to flow more freely? Remember, at our core, we are all love and joy and peace. It is our birthright. Feel appreciation for the process and gratitude for the understanding you will gain. You may want to choose other aspects to explore. Create your own list. The message here is to know you will be nourished by expanding your point of view. And then the card next to it is going to be representing the Galactic Chakra. It is enlightenment from the Secret Language of Light deck. You are waking up from your old habits and patterns. At times you may feel bewildered or not quite like yourself. Relax, all is well. You are just keeping up with your evolution and the life that you desire. Your body and mind are adjusting and adapting to your new and loving soul perspective. It is common for your mind or body to resist, react, or panic when you experience the unfamiliar or unknown. However, from this higher vantage, you can change any story that splits you in two and heal any wounds. You are not trying to replace a negative memory with a positive one. Instead, see all the components of a memory so that a new conclusion can form. An unbalanced memory recreates the trauma every time it is talked about or remembered. This event or person will be blamed for pain in your life today. A balanced memory has no charge or activation and becomes wisdom. You may even come to see a challenge as the best thing that ever happened to you. Once you change and heal your opinion, enlightenment will shine through as wisdom. So when I look into these cards intuitively, the word that comes to me is just spectacular. So I don't know, maybe something is presenting itself in your environment that has that sort of supercharged, exceeding expectations feel to it. It definitely feels like mastery too, and that what has been done through careful organization and implementation fragmentation of things that are fairly complex. I'm seeing if there's anything else that wants to come through here. Seems like there's different sides to maybe the same situation that you're dealing with. There could be like multiple perspectives that are similar but somewhat different, and when they come together they make something very powerful. And that there is this essence of, even though they might all be a little bit different in them coming together as a whole, the whole in and of itself is absolutely beautiful. It works, it's wholeness, it's completion, it's able to have a spirit of its own, and it's as if you've created your own new world through perhaps something that you're doing, or a collaboration, or just something that might be going on here. But it looks like it's very dependent upon your perspective, and maybe different perspectives coming together in harmony. So we'll finish there. Thank you. Tomorrow will be the crown chakra reading, so if you want to join me for that, how terrific that would be. And until then, stay blessed. Take care.